Hi everyone, my name is Doreen Isabel Pautagana. I am 8 years old and a second grader at Trinity Christian School. We all aware that COVID-19 is just around us since vaccine is not yet available. But one of the best weapons to fight against COVID-19 is to wash our hands properly. So today I'm gonna teach you the 5 steps on how to wash your hands properly. First step is wet your hands with clean running water, warm or cold, but make sure the water isn't too hot for the little hands. The second step is use soap and lather up about 20 seconds. Antibacterial soap or any soap will do. Step 3 is make sure you get it between your hands on the back of the hands and under the nails where germs like to hang out, and don't forget the wrist. And the last step is rinse and dry well with a clean towel. And it's all done.